Hey, what's up you guys, it's Kitty Cass and today we are doing an unboxing of Owlcrate. If you don't already know what Owlcrate is, it is a monthly subscription box so you get one young adult novel and some bookish items. It is $39.99 US and I have Simba over here because he wanted a cuddle. Hopefully I will be able to unbox this box. Unless he wants me to, hold him the whole time. We are gonna do our best. Hey, bunny. Oh, no, down. So, Simba is now just loose. Discovering everything. So here's the box. Let's crack this baby open. Sorry, Simby. There's the spoiler card. So many worms. Simba, there's so many worms. You gonna help me? Maybe? Yeah. You can't go in the box yet, though. Okay, so we got one thing here. It's an Owlcrate exclusive. It's by Jupiter and ivydesign.com. It's very hard to do when you have a cat on your lap. Never allow yourself to believe you should be silent. This is a magnet that's super true and adorable. So long as you fight the darkness, you stand in the light. That's super duper adorable. I hear little jingling. They're straws. Really fancy straws. I got some bendy straws. They're like iridescent. Not iridescent. Chrome. Oh my god. Super cool. You got like a whack of them and there's even a cleaner. It's great. There's like a bunch of them. You can see right there. I'm just going to shove them back before Simba gets them. I see him eyeing it. Art of Iron pot holder set. Super cute. How many times can I say cute when I'm doing these? May the stars keep you steady and the iron keep you safe. I love the constellations in the background. This month's pin. So as I said, every video, every time you get one of these boxes, you get a pin that pertains to the book. We got a beautiful quartz crystal, which I'm also wearing one. Stickers. Just some really nice high quality stickers. I have a little note that says, "Dear Owlcrate reader, as an effort to keep your Owlcrate box delivered as soon as possible, we made the decision not to wrap your book this month in plastic." That's fine. A graphic novel. So that's cool and very thick and hefty. And last but not least, we have our book. Every time you get a book, you get a little note from the author, and the books are also signed, and this one looks really interesting. And you also get a activity book. It also shows you that so there's the original cover, and then this is the Owlcrate exclusive cover, and this month's box playlist is Rebellion in Their Hearts, and I will leave a link down below to the playlist in case you're curious and you want to listen to it. And next month's theme is All the World's a Stage, and our spoiler for that is we're getting coffee from the Bones Coffee Company, so that's pretty awesome. We've received some coffee, I believe it was for the October one of last year. Very good. And yeah, that's the end of our box. Please leave a comment down below of your favorite item in this box. I'm curious to see what you guys are into. Also, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Also, if you love my face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. Remember, you guys are perfect, and I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe. Bye. Bum, 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 bum.